Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about noise pollution. Like other pollutions you see around, noise pollution is also one of them, but you can't see it like other pollution, but still it is very harmful for those who get in its path. But the most crucial question is, what is this noise pollution? As we know, sound is everywhere, but sometimes the necessary sounds reach a volume which is harmful for all living. That becomes noise pollution. There are two types of noise pollution: natural and man-made. The sound coming from natural sources such as birds, animals, and all natural calamities are responsible for causing natural noise pollution, but the major factor responsible for causing noise pollution is man-made machines, such as sounds coming from loudspeaker, construction sites, traffic, etc. But the most crucial question is, how does noise affect our health? Well, human ears are designed to hear sound 0 to 1 decimal, but when someone is exposed to sounds that are 85 decibels or above, which can cause permanent damage to your ears, leading to hearing loss. Now let's have a look at diseases caused by noise pollution. What we can do to stop noise pollution. Keep the noise down, or the noise will keep you down.